Welcome to our channel, dear viewers. Join me as we venture to the Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, a vast salt flat that stretches as far as the eye can see. Get ready to discover the top 10 vacation spots and fun activities you can enjoy in this stunning location, where the sky meets the earth in a symphony of colors and reflections. Here, in the heart of the Altiplano, lies the Salar de Uyuni, a salt desert like no other. This is the legacy of a prehistoric lake long since evaporated, leaving behind a salt crust so vast, so pristine, it boggles the mind. During the day, the sunlight bounces off the salt, creating a surreal, almost blinding brilliance. And as the sun dips below the horizon, the salar transforms once more, the sky exploding into a riot of colors reflected on the mirror-like surface. Our journey takes us now to the outskirts of Uyuni, a town perched on the fringes of this great salt desert. Here, we find a haunting reminder of Bolivia's industrial past, the train cemetery. These rusted steam locomotives, once the lifeblood of Bolivia's mining industry, now stand frozen in time. The train cemetery is a poignant reminder of the passage of time, a place where history whispers on the wind. On the blinding white canvas of the Salar, we discover an architectural marvel, the Palacio de Sal, a hotel crafted almost entirely from salt. The walls, the furniture, even the beds in this unique hotel are made from salt bricks extracted from the Salar. A night spent here is an unforgettable experience, a chance to connect with the landscape in a truly unique way. During the rainy season from December to March, the Salar de Uyuni undergoes a breathtaking transformation. As rain falls upon the salar, it creates a shallow layer of water, transforming the landscape into a surreal, reflective surface. The sky, the clouds, even the distant mountains are perfectly mirrored, creating an illusion of infinite space. Standing on this surreal plain, it's as if you're walking among the clouds, the boundary between earth and sky dissolving before your very eyes. In the heart of the Salar de Uyuni lies a testament to nature's resilience. Incahuasi Island, also known as Fish Island. Imagine, if you will, an island rising from a sea of salt, its surface covered in towering cacti. Take a guided tour and ascend to the island's summit, where you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the Salar stretching out in all its glory. It's a truly awe-inspiring sight, a testament to life's ability to thrive even in the most challenging environments. As darkness descends on the Salar de Uyuni, a new spectacle unfolds overhead. Far from the city lights, the night sky explodes into a breathtaking tapestry of stars. Join a stargazing tour and delve deeper into the cosmos. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of our place in the vastness of the universe. Our journey takes us south, to the Eduardo Avaroa Andean Fauna National Reserve, a wonderland of colorful lagoons, towering volcanoes, and unique wildlife. Be captivated by the sight of pink flamingos, their vibrant plumage a stark contrast to the desolate landscape. Observe vicuñas, graceful relatives of the llama, grazing on the sparse vegetation. This reserve is a testament to nature's adaptability, a place where life finds a way, even in the most extreme environments. No journey to the Salar de Uyuni is complete without experiencing the warmth and hospitality of its people. Wander through the lively markets, where locals trade handcrafted goods and fresh produce. Sample traditional Bolivian cuisine, a delicious fusion of indigenous flavors and Spanish influences. In Uyuni, you'll discover that the true beauty of the Salar lies not just in its landscapes but also in the hearts of its people. After days of exploration, treat yourself to a rejuvenating experience at the Pulques Hot Springs. Nestled amidst the rugged landscape, these thermal pools offer a welcome respite from the high-altitude chill. Immerse yourself in the warm, mineral-rich waters, surrounded by breathtaking views of the Andes Mountains. It's the perfect way to unwind and reconnect with nature after a day of adventure. For the thrill seekers, no trip to the Salar de Uyuni is complete without a 4x4 adventure. Hop aboard a sturdy vehicle and embark on an exhilarating journey across the vast salt flats. Experienced drivers will navigate the challenging terrain, taking you to hidden corners and breathtaking viewpoints that are inaccessible by foot. It's an unforgettable way to experience the sheer scale and grandeur of the Salar. As we bid farewell to this magical landscape, we carry with us memories that will last a lifetime. The Salar de Uyuni, with its stark beauty, its unique ecosystem, and its welcoming people, has left an indelible mark on our souls. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow adventurers, and subscribe to our channel for more awe-inspiring travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.